Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove the CapCut PC software watermark. So when you want to export a video in CapCut PC and it has the watermark in it, there used to be like a remove watermark, but you're just going to want to log into your account if there's still the option to remove watermark here. But if not, you can just export it now. But I do suggest just making an account in back to homepage, and then it's going to bring you to the profile page where you can basically log into your account using Google, TikTok, and Facebook. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.